Hi there and welcome back to step-by-step GuitarTuition.com. This is the second lesson in the Step 4 module for improvers. In this lesson I'm going to show you how to play an extended major scale and an extended natural minor scale. By extended I mean adding on a third octave, which will take you higher up the fingerboard instead of just playing the scales in the same position. As always, don't forget to refer to your lesson notes where you'll find lots of helpful information. Firstly, let's go through the two-octave major scale patterns that you've learned so far in the step-by-step syllabus. The first one starts on the 5th fret with your second finger, and if you remember it goes like this. And the second one starting on the same note but this time with your first finger goes like this. Now I'm going to show you how to play the same scale but with an extra octave added to it, which will take us all the way up to the 17th fret. I'll show you how the scale goes before I explain it. Here we go. You may have noticed there that as I was moving up and down the fingerboard, I was using my first finger to move through the positions like this. Moving up with my first finger. That's an important part of the technique that you need to play the scale, to move up and down the fingerboard. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to do that slowly and in close-up. Start with your first finger on the 5th fret, play fret 5, 7 with your second finger, 9 with your 4th finger. On the next string play fret 5 and then move up to fret 7. Then play fret 9 with your second finger, fret 11 with your 4th finger. On the next string 7, then move up to 9. With your second finger play 11 and your third finger 12. On the next string play fret 9, move up to 11, fret 13, fret 14, then fret 12 on the B string, move up to 14, 15, 17, and on the top string 14, 16, 17. And then back down, and then move back, move back, move back. Now let's try that same travelling technique with the natural minor scale, but let's just remind ourselves of the two natural minor scales that we've learned so far in the syllabus. The first one, if you remember, goes like this, starting on the 5th fret. And the second pattern, slightly different. Now I'm going to show you how to play the same scale but again with an extra octave, and that will again will take us up to the 17th fret, and it goes like this. It's a very similar technique to what we did with the major scale. It goes like this. Okay, again I'm going to show you how to play that slowly and in close-up. Start with your first finger on fret 5 on the bottom string, fret 7 with your third, fret 8, and then on the next string fret 5, then move up to fret 7, fret 8 with your second finger, fret 10 with your 4th. On the next string fret 7, then move up to fret 9, fret 10 with your second finger, fret 12 with your 4th. On the next string play fret 9, move up to fret 10, fret 12 with your second finger, fret 14 with your 4th finger. On the 12th fret on the second string, then move up to 13, then 15, 17, and on the top string 13, 15, 17, and then back down. slide back, slide back, slide back, back. So that's an extended scale pattern for both major and natural minor scales, and you should add those to your practice routine, and remember to use a metronome to stop you from trying to play them too fast, and also to help with your timing. As well as that, don't forget to practice the scales in different positions and all over the fingerboard, and be aware of the key that you're playing in using the chromatic scale to identify the starting note. Okay, that's it for this lesson. I look forward to seeing you in lesson 3, where we'll be looking at an alternative major and minor arpeggio patterns. I'll see you then.